Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cool sink accessories for kitchen that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Tech Small Triangle Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. This cleverly designed accessory is perfect for those who want to maximize their kitchen sink corner space. Its triangular design is compact yet practical, making it a great choice for smaller kitchens or RVs. Made with 304 stainless steel and BPA-free silicone coating, this rack is rust-resistant, heat-safe, and sturdy enough to handle heavy loads without bending. One of the standout features of the Tech rack is its foldable design. You can easily roll it up when not in use, keeping your countertop clutter-free. It's versatile too. It can be used as a drying rack, a small cutting board for fruits and veggies, or even a non-slit trivet for hot pans right out of the oven. Adjustability is another highlight, as you can trim the silicone sides to fit your sink perfectly. However, keep in mind that this rack is best suited for corner sinks, so it's not as universally compatible as some of the other options on this list. In terms of value, this product is ideal for people with limited sink space who need a multi-purpose solution. While it excels in portability and space saving, its smaller size limits its capacity compared to larger racks. If you're looking for a compact, high-quality drying rack, the Tech is a fantastic option. Pros: compact design, durable materials, versatile use. Cons: limited capacity, not ideal for larger sinks. At number 4, we have the Bfonz Silicone Faucet Handle Drip Catcher Tray Mat. If you're tired of water stains and puddles around your sink, this accessory is a game changer. Designed with a 5-degree slope for optimal water drainage, it keeps your countertop dry and prevents water spots. Made entirely of 100% silicone, this mat is soft, durable, and easy to clean. No soggy fabric or time-consuming drying required. The Bfonz mat is more than just a drip catcher. It doubles as a sponge holder, soap tray, and even a small drying mat. With dimensions of 14.25 inches by 5.35 inches, it provides ample space to hold common sink accessories like sponges and dish soap bottles. The sleek gray design blends seamlessly with most kitchen decor, adding both functionality and style. However, installation requires some planning. Your faucet diameter must be less than 2.36 inches, and you need adequate space around the faucet base for it to fit properly. This product is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen or bathroom sink with a low-maintenance, multifunctional tool. While it's not suitable for all sink styles, its thoughtful design and functionality make it a worthy investment for those who can accommodate it. Pros: excellent water drainage, multifunctional design, easy to clean. Cons: limited compatibility with certain sinks, requires precise measurements. Taking the 3rd spot is the Extra Large Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink Organizer Caddy. If you're looking for a spacious and durable sink organizer, this product delivers. With a length of 10.62 inches, it's longer than most standard sink caddies, allowing you to store multiple items like brushes, sponges, and soap dispensers with ease. The ergonomic partition design provides 3 separate compartments to keep your sink area neat and organized. Made of high-quality stainless steel, the Caddy is rust-resistant and built to last. Its standout feature is the rotatable nozzle, which allows water to flow directly into the sink, eliminating the need for frequent drip tray cleaning. This is a big time saver for busy households. While it's ready to use right out of the box, it's important to measure your sink beforehand to ensure a proper fit. The Caddy is perfect for families or individuals who need ample storage space for sink essentials. Its sturdy build and sleek design make it a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. However, its larger size may not be ideal for compact sinks. Pros: spacious design, durable materials, rotatable nozzle. Cons: may not fit smaller sinks, slightly bulky. Coming in at number 2 is the Cecily Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer. This premium sink accessory offers a sleek and functional design, making it one of the best options for keeping your sink area tidy. Made from 304 stainless steel, It's rust-proof and easy to clean. The caddy features 3 separate storage compartments, allowing you to organize sponges, brushes, and even soap bottles efficiently. One of the standout features of the Silicone caddy is its automatic drainage system. The slope design ensures that water drains directly into the sink, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. With a compact yet spacious rectangular shape, this organizer fits comfortably on most sink countertops. It's also ready to use right out of the box, no installation required. If you're looking for a high-quality sink organizer that combines durability, functionality, and style, the Silicone caddy is an excellent choice. It's particularly well-suited for modern kitchens, but comes at a higher price point compared to other options. Pros: high-quality materials, automatic drainage, no installation needed. Cons: relatively expensive, limited color options. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Serape Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. This budget-friendly accessory is a must-have for any kitchen, offering incredible versatility at just $9.18. Made with 304 stainless steel and food-safe silicone, this rack is rust-resistant, sturdy, and capable of supporting up to 33 pounds. Its rollable design makes it perfect for saving counter space, as you can easily store it away when not in use. The Serape rack isn't just for drying dishes. It can also be used as a vegetable colander, a trivet for hot pots, or even a sink cover. Its heat resistance up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit adds to its versatility. Measuring 17.5 inches by 11.8, it fits most standard sinks, but it's important to check your sink dimensions before purchasing. The non-slip silicone coating ensures that it stays securely in place during use. This product is perfect for anyone looking for a multifunctional, space-saving solution for their kitchen. Its unbeatable price-to-performance ratio makes it the best overall choice in our lineup. Pros: affordable, versatile, space-saving. Cons: limited to smaller sinks, not ideal for heavy-duty drying tasks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.